Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2010 Audi Q5 SE TDI Quattro. Now this is one we had the pleasure of selling to the last owner, and that was in 2018, so just over 5 years ago, and the car had just done 50,000 miles then. It's now just done over 80,000 miles in the last 5 years. Service documentation is absolutely wonderful on it. It's got 11 stamps in the service book for this car, so think about that. Absolutely fantastic all round. So let's have a look. Now the car's finished in the deep sea blue pearlescent metallic, so I hope you can see that sort of colour there, and it's sat on the 19-inch alloy wheels. Now they're in wonderful order. All the wheels are in very, very good condition, and they come with fantastic tyres as well. Now this car's got 2 keys for it. I'd probably say that this is as good as you will find for a 2010 registered Audi Q5 with just over 80,000 miles. Lovely, lovely all round. Mud flapped up. The last owner, as I say, were that happy with it. They've gone for a similar car, just a newer version, but the paintwork's in lovely order. A couple of stone chips and stuff like that, as one can expect at this age, but nothing that would detract from the overall purchase of the car. Everything about it is in lovely order. Now the inside of the car's got the ivory leather interior with the aluminium detail, but as I say, mud flaps on the side, keeps all the mess. Just look at the wheels, they're all in great condition. Now this has been through our pre-delivery inspection process, so it's had the discs and the calipers detailed, so our discs are silver, calipers are black, but down the side of the car it's in lovely, lovely condition. Mud flaps, you can always tell the people who have cars with mud flaps don't like dirt on the side of the car, and so they're always in very, very nice condition. Now all round, as I say, it's as good as I've seen in a long time, and I do know the keepers of the car, and it's a very, very nice vehicle. S-line sort of aluminium tailboard there, and then it's got a full set of tailored mats. They're all rubber, and so Audi tailored mats and rear boot mat. Now underneath that boot floor, look at it. Now that mat was in when we sold it 5 years ago, and it's still there today, so the boot floor is in wonderful order. All the carpets have been shampooed, the leather's been treated and reconditioned, so it's nice and soft, but just look at the paint gleaming this beautiful spring sunshine. No privacy glass in this, so you can see that lovely leather interior. Got aluminium window trims and then these lovely aluminium roof bars. But just look at the sun in that. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you do need an SUV, then these are ideal. A wonderful, wonderful car. Now as I open this driver's door, just take a look at that interior. It's in lovely condition. Door card itself, we've got £2,500 of factory options. So we've got the aluminium inlay. This one's got power folding electric heated door mirrors, 4 electric windows, as I say, a full set of tailored mats, and then the leather interior in the sunshine. Lovely colour contrast on this. There is a sense of occasion in this car. Now as I jump in, you can see there then we've got 82,664 miles. I'll just start her up. We've got 2 keys in my hand there. Pop her in the ignition. No warning lights or anything, probably wants some fuel if the motor trade's ever to go by. Oh no, it's not too bad. So 82,264 miles. So this one's got heated seats, which is factory option on these. We've got Bluetooth, we've got CD player, we've got then music interface in the glove box there, you can connect your phone to, locking wheel nut book pack. There is the HPI, so the extras on this car are pearlescent paint, they are 19-inch wheels, they are heated front seats, Audi Music Interface, rear side airbags, door mirrors electrically heated operated, tyre pressure monitor, aluminium silver inlay, deep sea blue pearl. And then look at the service history on it. So we've just serviced it there now. No, that's not the one. March 18 is when they last bought it. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So they've had it 5 years. There's the service documentation, all while the last owners had it. All the same garage. And then service last year at 77 and service now at 82. And then previous to that, we've got the services there. I'll fold that over, and then the 2 at Audi. Now there is a pack of receipts as well for the last key customer. and that's been serviced, so you can see what he's had on it: brakes, discs, MOTs, same garage for the last 5 years. Always like seeing things like that, especially when you get to this age of car. It's all about condition and history and extras for me. This car hasn't been smoked in, I don't smoke, and I can tell it's not been smoked in either. But just take a look at that passenger seat, it's in as good as new order. The aluminium inlay is nice, the contrast in the cream interior with the sort of biscuit, it's gorgeous. Lovely, lovely vehicle. Anybody who comes and looks at this car, let me tell you now, you will be buying it. It's that nice, kid you not. Just look at the back seat, it's in lovely condition. Really, really, I know we've conditioned it and shampooed it. Full set of tailored mats, they're a couple of £100 from Audi, those themselves. But what a lovely car. What a lovely car for 13 years old. Yeah, 13 years old, how mad's that? So, if you need any more information, I'm Graham, we've got Lee and Dom on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. But come and take a look. If you've got a part exchange, give me a call, I'll give you a price over the phone. If the car, when it arrives, is as you've described it over the phone, that's the price we pay. Dead easy, dead simple, lots of fun. But there you go. What more can I say about that? What a lovely car for its age. 2 keys, full book pack, 11 service stamps in the book. Just been serviced by ourselves. Wheels are all in superb order. Tyres are great on it. All our cars come fully guaranteed. They're HPI clear. It's just been serviced by ourselves before it's gone on sale, so that we can have it in and out pretty quickly. So if you'd like to have any more info on this, give us a call. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.